Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome to our vlog. We are here in Chalet Hills, Busay, Cebu City. So this is just 30 minutes more or less from Cebu, from the city. So that's our view for tonight. And this is how we set up our tent as always. We have the tarp over the tent. And we also brought 2 camping chairs and holding bed. We got a cooler this time, so it's reason why we brought the cooler is that it's just very adjacent to the road, so we can just bring the cooler. And we got a table, we got our bags, and let me show you the inside of the tent. The baby is here. Hey, also got a chair, and we're actually cooking rice for dinner. It's already 3 p.m. but we cook our rice in advance because it's gonna get dark later and it's don't have any light, proper light. So again, it's Chalet Hills here in Busay, Cebu City. If you want to go here, there's no entrance fee or whatever. No one is actually looking after in this camping area. But if you bring your car, there's gonna be a fee for that, only 30 pesos, so someone can look after. So that's it, guys. We will post some pictures or show more videos later. So show you again the view. Oh, the baby's running. And here's it's under the tree, so it's not hot. It's really a good camping area. See you guys later. Thank you for watching again. Please subscribe to our channel, guys. Arya, please say subscribe.
Subscribe in our channel. Click promise. Bye.
Ready, go.
Like a day that I mentioned. A day
Stay like forever. Score if you love me. What?
Ako lang!
Sige. I go.
Like a day that mentioned. Your day has stuck forever. Saying that you love me. And that is never, never. It's cold outside.
Then you welcome my life.
When you walk in my life. And that's
Happy every time. Oh, this is you and me. Every time I visit it, home with me. Yay! Set, go.
It's like a day that I met you. A day has stuck forever. Saying that you love me. And that is not for never. It's cold outside. Where you walk on my life. Where you walk on my life. And this is every time. All these things fell in me. Every Canadasery. Hi guys. So we're here and Daddy's there. We're camping and we set up our tent here. And there's a blue, yeah. So Mommy's there lay down. So I think that's a potty. I think that's a potty. Maybe so. Look. It's a poop. I think. So, view. Look at the views on Lapit naman yung view. Apa ni usa? So, I'm gonna go here. And this is a window tent. So soft. Let me show you it inside. So, this morning we have rice, noodles everywhere. So cold. So I show you before now. So we're cooking the rice. Nice there. It is. Where? Okay. So that's the sun right there. So we're parking there, and there's a lot of dogs on here. Here. They're going there, so some dog, my cats.
We're gonna run.
What? Okay, we're gonna run. Naihi din na ron. I'm gonna pee first, but I'm gonna go to mom and daddy here. So they're hugging here. It's way to home. We're camping here. So, ew, there's a cat out too. I'm gonna pee, Daddy. Can you hold this first?
Okay, may ka. Hey! Hi guys. Bye!
Just be honest, I've been in my head. Reinforce my walls with all these hypotheticals. When it comes to you, no one really compares. But I'm scared and I'm nervous. I don't wanna get hurt anymore. I don't want nobody else. You know that you got as hell. I get ahead of myself. Finishing races and never begin up. I don't want nobody else. You know that you got as hell. I get ahead of myself. Keep on telling myself.
Hi guys, good morning. So it's 6 a.m. here at Chalet, Busay. Baby's still sleeping. And we're cooking right now. Beef loaf and noodles. And still have rice from yesterday. There's noodles. And mommy is going to cook the beef loaf. Hi baby. Okay.
much better, and I deserve a chance at your love. I don't want nobody else. You know that you understand. I got ahead of myself, finishing races will never begin.
Ooh, baby, go home. Morning, So guys, the sun is already up and the time 6:45. So that's our view last night. And we're cooking beef loaf. We have noodles here and rice yesterday. Still have one. And baby still sleepy. Mom's here. Here. So we're after breakfast we're gonna go back home and what? So until our next adventure, camping adventure, see you guys very soon. And before we go, please click like on our video and subscribe to our channel for more videos to come. And again, we are here in Chalet, Busay, Chalet Hills, and there's no entrance fee. But if you have a card, there's a 30 pesos bantay fee. So, thank you guys again. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for notification. And see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Bye. Still sleepy.